ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, today we discuss the algebraic identities. Algebraic identities, these are the most important in mathematics. In algebra, calculus, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, everywhere these are the fundamentals which are very important in general mathematics. Without these identities, to solve the problems, it is a little bit difficult. So, you must be careful about these identities. So, first one, I think all of you know, but once recollect all these formulas. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. By adding these two, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square, adding these two, 2AB gets cancelled, A square plus A square, 2A square, B square plus B square, that is 2B square. That is 2 times of A square plus B square. By subtracting these two, A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square minus of A minus B whole square is equal to subtracting A square gets cancelled, B square gets cancelled, 2AB minus of minus, that is plus 2AB, that becomes 4AB, that is 4AB. So implies you write A plus from this A plus B, from this A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 4AB. A plus B whole square equal to, you take this side, A minus B whole square plus 4AB, or this is A minus B whole square is equal, you write this side, you can take, that becomes, take this side, equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB, minus 4AB. A minus, take this side, A minus B whole square equal to, you take this side, A plus B whole square minus 4AB. And from this, one is A plus B whole cube is equal to, A plus B whole cube equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square, 3AB square plus B cube, that is equal to A plus B whole cube is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. From this you write A cube plus B cube plus these two, take 3AB is taking common. So this is here A and it is B. A plus B, A plus A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. From this, A cube plus B cube is equal to A cube plus B cube. So this is A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B, or this is also. So A cube plus B cube is equal to a cube plus b cube. This write this side. So this is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. There a plus b, there also a plus b. Take a plus b is taking common. Then the remaining part is a plus b whole square minus 3ab. 3ab. That is equal to a plus b into this is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. That is equal to a plus b into a square plus 2ab minus 3ab. That is minus ab plus b square. So this is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is also equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. And also a cube plus b cube also equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Sometimes you are applying this formula, you will get easy answer. Sometimes you are applying this formula. That depends on the given problem. Next, ninth one, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. That is equal to, you write a cube minus b cube. These two you can take minus 3ab is taking common. Here the remaining is 1a. I am taking minus is taking common, so this becomes, this is minus b. If you are multiplying, this is minus 3a square b minus into minus plus, that is 3ab square. So this is a minus b whole cube is equal to a minus b whole. So write down these points. So you have to write each and every point in your notes. From this here, a cube minus b cube is equal to this. You can write this side, that is a minus b whole cube take this side, plus 3ab into a minus b. That is here a minus b taking common, a minus b is taking common. So this is a minus b whole square plus 3ab plus 3ab, that is equal to a minus b into this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is a minus b whole square formula plus 3ab that is equal to a minus b into this is a square minus 2ab plus 3ab, that is plus ab plus b square. So this is a cube minus b cube, and this is a cube plus b cube. Next one, a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube is equal to. So this is a plus b whole cube and this is a minus b whole cube. By adding these two, a cube plus a cube, that is 2a cube plus 3a square b minus 3a square b gets cancelled, and 3ab square plus 6ab square plus b cube minus b cube gets cancelled. That is equal to 2 is taking common, a cube plus 3ab square. Next one, a plus b whole cube minus of a minus b whole cube is equal to, by subtracting here, this is 7th one and this is here 9th one, subtracting a cube minus a cube gets cancelled. 3a square b minus of minus, this is plus. So this is 3a square b plus 3a square b, that is 6a square b. 6a square b. 3ab square, this becomes minus 3ab square gets cancelled. B cube minus of minus, that is plus b, 2b cube. If you take 2 is taking common, 2 common, this is b cube plus 3a square b. Write down. And a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a square plus b square. You take this side, equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is a plus b A square plus B square equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Minus 2AB. So this is from this you write A power 4 plus B power 4 is equal to, according to this you write, this is A square whole square plus B square whole square, that is equal to this is just like A square plus B square. In place of A, this is A square. In place of B, B square. A square plus B square is equal to, according to this, is equal to A square plus B square whole square minus 2AB, that is A square B square. So A power 4 plus B power 4 is equal to, and so here A minus B whole square is equal to formula A square minus 2AB plus B square implies A square plus B square is equal to, this is A minus B whole square, you take that side, plus 2AB plus 2AB. So you observe that here A square plus B square can be written as A plus B whole square minus 2AB, or A minus B whole square plus 2AB. So which is a suitable means in the given question depends on whether you write this formula or you write this formula, that is depends on the given question. Sometimes you write this is suitable, sometimes it is suitable, that is applicable. So that is the depends on the given problem. Write down. Next one, A cube plus B cube into A square plus B square is equal to, if you are multiplying these two, A cube into A square, A power 5 plus A cube into B square plus B cube into this, B cube A square, B cube into B square plus B power 5, This is A cube plus B cube, A power 5 plus B power 5 plus these two, see here, A square A cube, I am taking A square common, B square B cube, B square is taking common. So this is A square B square is taking common. Here this is A, here it is B, A plus a plus b. A plus b implies, see, a power 5, so this is a power 5 plus b power 5 is equal to this part you can take this side, that is a cube plus b cube into a square plus b square minus of a square b square into a plus b. This is also important point. In general, this can be used in quadratic equations. So, one competitive examination, the question is, this type of question is given. For example, see, if alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, then find alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Alpha power 5 and beta power 5. By solving this question, so this result is useful. So this is, we will discuss next, not now. So a power 5 plus b power 5 is equal to a cube plus b cube into a square plus b square minus of this a square b square into a plus b. Next point, this is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. That implies a square plus b square plus c square is equal to this, you can write this side, that is a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. And next point, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A minus b is equal to root a plus root b into root a minus root b. This is very important one while solving the irrational equations are given. It is useful. A minus b is equal to root a plus root b into root a minus root b. Root a minus root b. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. The root a plus root b, root a minus root b, root a whole square, that is a, minus root b whole square, that is b, that is b. That implies from this, so root a plus root b is equal to take this side, a minus b by root a minus root b. And also root a minus root b is equal to, root a minus root b equal to a minus b by root a plus root b, root a plus root b. The next point, see here, you know this point, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square plus b square. So by using this, you write a plus b is equal to, a plus b equal to, a means what? You write a power 1 by 3 whole cube plus b power 1 by 3 whole cube. Whole cube. A can be written as a power 1 by 3 whole cube. There 3 gets cancelled. B power 1 by 3 whole cube. 3 gets cancelled, that is a plus b. So by using this formula, that is a plus b, a means a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 into a square, a power 1 by 3 whole square, a power 1 by 3 whole square minus ab, so this is a, this is b, a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 plus b square, where b is b power 1 by 3 whole square. So that is equal to a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 minus a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. So this is a plus b is equal to, a plus b equal to, from this a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 is equal to, this equal to this, right, this side, that is a plus b by a plus b by a power 2 by 3 plus a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. And similarly, so you know this, and a cube minus b cube is equal to, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square plus b square. Now a minus b is equal to, a minus b, using this one, a minus b equal to, so this also can be written as a power 1 by 3 whole cube minus b power 1 by 3 whole cube. That is equal to, a minus b, a power 1 by 3 minus b power 1 by 3 into a square, a power 2 by 3 plus a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. So this is a minus b is equal to, that implies, So this is a power 1 by 3 minus b power 1 by 3 is equal to a minus b by, so this is a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. So this is 24th. So note down these points. Next one, x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to this. You write the perfect square. Perfect square means what? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, x plus 1 whole square. That is a perfect square. So for this expression, I write x square whole square. X power 4 can be written as x square whole square. X square I can write like this: 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 plus 1. X power 4, x power 4. But here 1 x square is there, but I write 2x square, 2x square. So I am adding 1 x square. I am subtracting x square. X square. This is just like a square plus 2ab plus b square form. B square form. I am adding 1x square and subtracting x square. X square. X power 4 plus 2x square minus x square. That is x square plus 1. 1 is there, 1 is there. So this is a square minus 2 plus 2ab plus b square form. Plus b square form. These are the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is nothing but a plus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square. Now this can be written as x square plus 1 whole square minus x square minus x square. Again this is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. By using this, that is equal to, right, x square plus 1 plus x into x square plus 1 minus x. Therefore, x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equal to, this is x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. That is, so x power 4, this implies x power 4 plus x square by 1 plus 1 by this x square plus x plus 1 is equal to, this is the result, x square minus x plus 1. Sometimes the question is given like this, the value of this is equal to. So if you know the factorizing this, you will get the answer. So for this, so you can generalize x power 2 to the power of n plus x power 2 power n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to x power 2 power n minus 1 plus x power 2 power n minus 2 plus 1 into x power 2 power n minus 1 minus x power 2 power n minus 2 plus 1. So this is the generalized. For example, the question is given x to the power of 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 is equal to, you observe this one, this right, x power 2 cube 8 plus x power 2 square plus 1. So this is n minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Exactly, this is of the form like this. X power 2 power n plus x power 2 power n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to x power 2 power n minus 1 plus x power 2 power n minus 2 plus 1 into x power 2 power n minus 1 minus x power 2 power n minus 2 plus 1. Suppose you can take this. This 8 can be written as 2 cube and this is 2 square. Exactly, this is of the form like this. So by x power x 2 power 2 to the power of n minus 1, where n is 3, that is 2, plus x power 2 power n minus 2. N is what? 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 into, that is x power 2 square minus x power 2 power 1 plus 1. That is equal to x power, this is 4. 4 plus x square plus 1 into x power 4 minus x square plus 1. So this is the generalized formula. Generalized formula. Note these points. a power 4 plus 4b power 4 is equal to this you write a square whole square plus this is 2b square whole square. 2b square whole square. This is just like a square. See here. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Now this is a square plus b square. I am adding 2ab. Adding 2ab. That is 2 into a square into 2b square. 2b square. A square plus b square 2ab. I am adding. So I am subtracting same term I am subtracting. So this is what 4a square b square. Adding and subtracting. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. So this is equal to a square plus 2b square whole square minus this can be written as 2ab whole square. 2ab a whole square. So again it is of the form, again this is just like a, this is b, a square minus b square form. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b form. So this is the treat as a, treat as b. A square minus b square. A plus b. So this is a square plus 2b square plus 2ab into a minus b. So this is a square plus 2b square minus 2ab. 2ab. So this a power 4 plus 4b power 4 is equal to. So these algebraic identities are, it's very important in total mathematics. So if you are strong in these areas, you are able to solve any problem in mathematics easily. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to. So I think you know the factors of this. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus AB minus BC minus CA. A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. This also can be written as So this is A plus B plus C into C here, this one. A square plus B square plus C square. So this is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 of AB plus BC plus CA is equal to A plus B plus C whole square. So from this A square plus B square plus C square is equal to this, right? A plus B plus C whole square. Take that side, minus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA, and this one minus of AB plus BC plus CA. If you take minus is taken common, that is minus of AB plus BC plus CA. Now this is, that is A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C whole square minus. This is just like 2x minus x. Minus 2x minus x is minus 3x form. So that is minus 3 into AB plus BC plus CA. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, implies A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, implies then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC.